Kirby, interpret information, India.
We've been in Florida for a few days.
November 518 to Mike Alpha, ready to taxi.
Taxi Alpha, request taxi to the flight 16 in a row.
Aircraft, monitor the frequency before you tee up, please. Just hold short of Charlie for now.
Clear for takeoff, 12 right, fly runway heading, 9 arms, sir. ATC and Orlando Exec.
Orlando Exec airport information, Charlie, 1821 Zulu, special observation. 3110. 4,900 scattered. Temperature 26, dew point 16. Altimeter. Center up to 675 level 370. Visual approach runway 7 in use. Notice airmen. Use caution for personnel and equipment operating in the vicinity of runways and taxiways. Use caution for bird activity on and in the vicinity of the airport. Clearance delivery available on frequency 121.4. Read back all short instructions and runway assignment. Advise and initial contact, give information, Charlie.
Over to tower, 9 arms, sir. Have a good day, 9 arms, sir.
Ready for takeoff.
Sky 55296, executive tower, runway 7, cleared for takeoff, and left downwind departure approved.
Ready for takeoff, runway 7, Sky 55296.
Exec tower, Sierra 699 Romeo 0, descending 1.6 at the power plant.
Sierra 699 Romeo Sierra, executive tower, continue for left downwind, runway 7, report 3 miles northeast.
We're continuing for left downwind, we'll report 3 miles northeast, 9 arms, sir. Yep, that's the landing traffic for Orlando.
Oh yeah, I see the other smaller one.
Orlando Airport's right there, you can see the tower.
Okay.
There's the airport right there. Okay, sweet view of downtown.
The airport's over here, right? Or is it?
That's Orlando Executive right there.
Oh, okay, this is like the...
Main one.
Yeah. Okay.
55296, I have 2 helicopters over to the downtown area at about 900 feet. Just watch for them.
Looking for traffic, 55296, and we got them on the fish finder.
Roger.
The fish finder, I like that.
Tower 2 and Sky 9, traffic over Cessna 172, midfield downwind on a west departure.
Tower, you have stepped on. Where's the traffic again?
Midfield downwind, runway 7, heading westbound.
We're looking, Trevor 2, thanks.
13's looking.
And tower 9 Romeo Sierra is about 3 miles due east, 9 Romeo.
November 699 Romeo Sierra, roger, continue for left downwind, runway 7.
Make a left turn into the left downwind, 9 Romeo Sierra.
Trevor 2, get the traffic. We'd like to go northeastbound.
Trevor 2, northeastbound approved.
2, thanks.
Our 296, use caution. One of the helicopters is starting to turn northeastbound at this time, has you in sight.
Roger that, 5296, we'll use caution.
And Tower King Air 204, Tango Papa with you on the approach to runway 7.
And 55296, do you have the helicopters in sight yet?
Looking for traffic, 5296.
296, the northeastbound one is 12 to 11 o'clock in a mile now.
Traffic in sight, 5296.
296, the other aircraft is southeast of his position at 900 feet, just holding. Chopper 2, the Cessna has you in sight.
Trevor 2, copy, thanks.
King Air 204, Tango Papa, runway 7, clear land.
Clear land, runway 7, Fort Tango Papa.
And I'm sorry, that was Sky 13. Sky 13, that traffic, Cessna's north of your position now.
Roger, 13.
And our 296, the other traffic, the helicopter's a mile south of you now, westbound is approved, frequency change approved, remain outside of class per hour space, have a good day. 55296, did you copy?
I repeat for 5296.
55296, traffic's no longer a factor, frequency change approved, remain outside of class per hour space at all times.
Man outside Bravo, frequency
Traffic,
traffic.
traffic.
Thank you.
November 900,
Traffic,
traffic. At 11 o'clock, 2 miles, a helicopter, 800 foot, just east, or just west of downtown.
Alright, we got the traffic just east of downtown, looking for the other one, 9 Romeo Sierra.
The other one's actually north of your position.
That's the one we saw, 900.
Or 699 Romeo Sierra, continue on the downwind, look for traffic King Air on a 3-mile final, report him in sight.
Looking for the King Air, 900.
I'm sorry, he's actually on a 4-mile final. Or 9 Romeo Sierra, do you have the helicopter in sight?
Negative for 900.
9 Romeo Sierra, that helicopter is now at shore 1 o'clock, a mile and a half, 900 feet northbound.
Traffic.
We got him in sight. We also got the King Air in sight.
Roger, continue on the downwind until you get the King Air.
King Air's in sight, 900.
November 9 Romeo Sierra, number 2, follow the King Air, runway 7, clear to land. Wind 160 at 7.
Number 2 behind the King Air, clear to land. Number 2, 900. I'd say that's right over downtown.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Look at that view.
Ah, wow.
King Air 4 Tango Papa, use the forward high speed, not the reverse, please. No delay clearing. Traffic short funnel behind you. Contact ground point 4 when you clear.
Okay, we'll go to the high speed and ground.
500.
Down and welded. Here we go.
Caution, underspeed.
Sky 13, Executive Tower,
Caution,
can you see the approach lights from
underspeed.
your position?
Stand by here. I'm making a little orbit. Let me come around and take a look.
Thanks.
Caution, underspeed.